What's up, everybody? Justin here with bearzapperbbq. We've got some awesome pork tenderloin that we picked up from the local butcher shop. Super pumped for that. I'm going to do it using some spices that I would use on like my lamb, and I'm going to make souvlaki or almost like gyros using pork tenderloin on the big green egg. We've got the big green egg just warming up. So we're gonna crush that in a few seconds. We're gonna get it up to temperature, about 250, and then we're gonna basically cook it like a steak. I'm gonna get it to about 135, 140 inside, and then throw it on and sear the outside. It's gonna be really, really good. I'm super pumped. Stay tuned. What's up, everybody? All right, we have ourselves an empty bowl and a whole bunch of spices here. So today we're going to be, we have a pork tenderloin in the refrigerator. We're going to be making a pork souvlaki, almost like a pork gyro. You can actually check out some previous recipes that I have for my pita breads that I make that are absolutely delicious. I'm super pumped. I'm going to make them big, almost you know, like naan size, to fit all the yumminess that we have going on. But so let's get started with the marinade first. We're going to marinate, we're going to create a marinade. We're going to marinate the pork for quite a while in the fridge. So first thing we want to do is we want to take about a half teaspoon or so of, half a tablespoon or so of some ground sage. About a tablespoon of oregano. Half a tablespoon of some basil. We're gonna eyeball it. We'll go a little less on the basil. And some paprika. Do about a half a tablespoon of that as well. For color and taste, some black pepper, about a half a tablespoon of that as well, and some minced onion. We'll do a full tablespoon of minced onion. Actually, we'll do a half of another. Mix that all together. What I like about using the dry minced onion, dry minced onion rather, is it'll kind of rehydrate a little bit and kind of soak in some of that awesomeness, and then it'll really adhere nicely to the pork. So now we're going to take. We have apple cider vinegar. I'm going to do about 4 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stay. Sorry. And about 7 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Start with 6 and see what that looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 should be enough. 6 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and then some Dijon mustard. We're gonna do about a tablespoon of this. And let's just mix it all up together. This is the consistency you're looking for here. I'm also going to grab some garlic. Be right back. All right, we have some minced garlic here. Yeah, from a bottle. We're gonna do 1, 2, about 4. That wasn't a good tablespoon. There we go. That'll make about 4 tablespoons of garlic. If you're using fresh garlic, you can use 4, 5, or 6 garlic cloves. It's a beautiful consistency, beautiful coloring. Let's wash my hands. Awesome. Now we're going to take the pork tenderloin out. We're going to put it into this Ziploc bag here. We're going to pour the marinade over it, and we're going to let it sit for several hours. All right, so we have our tenderloin in here. We have our marinade here. And I'm just going to dump it in. Let's see. Reach. All right. Cool. Beautiful. Close it up. Take the air out. And we're going to wipe off the inside of the bag. Outside of the bag, rather. Dirt. Outside. Just so it's not gross. Again, take the air out just a bit. Cool. And now, kind of smush it around a little bit. Roll it. Smush it. What I'm going to end up doing on this is I'm going to start the big green egg a few hours, and we're going to get this smoking on the egg. It shouldn't take too long. It's about 2 pounds total of pork, but I really want to let this marinade sit and really soak in to the pork. Boom, there it is. All right, we've hit about 260 internal. Lift this bad boy up. Yeah, all right. Here we go. I have them marinating for about, I don't know, 3-4 hours now. We're gonna toss it on. All right, we just hit 145 internal. So we're gonna take these out and I'm gonna get them ooh, that's gonna be super juicy. Yeah, I'm gonna get them a nice sear. I'm gonna basically do this like a reverse sear. Throw it right on the, we're gonna remove this, put it back on, get the heat up and sear it away. All right, the embers are glowing. We're hot. Ooh, it's hot. And we've got these on there. We're just gonna let them sit for, I don't know, 15, 20 seconds, flip. We're just gonna rotate through until they have a nice crust on them. Yeah, these are looking good. Coloring's looking beautiful. Check that out. Take them off soon. And there it is. We have our pork, cucumbers, tzatziki, some feta, some onion. Ooh, baby, that's looking good.